Team UTF has handed over the newly built house by cutting the ribbon to Amindra Debbarma of Demdam village under Unakoti district on Sunday. The size of the house is 7 by 14 and it is built by spending a total of 1,35,000 rupees. As it is known, on the last 26th April 2024, late at night, house of Amindra Debbarma of Demdam village under Unakoti district was dismantled with a storm. As a result, he has nowhere to live as he was poor. He could not afford to build another house, which is why he seek help from UTF. And seeing the condition and checking all the necessary things, Team UTF decided to help him build a house. And with the donation of many kind people for the house, Team UTF started building the house from 9th May 2024 and it was completed on 25th May, which was handed over to the beneficiary Amindra Debbarma on Sunday. The size of the house is 7 by 14 and it is built by spending a total of 1,35,000 rupees. On this day, President Sajal Debbarma and Secretary Dinesh Debbarma, including other members of UTF, were present. Besides, house owner Amindra Debbarma gave a heartfelt thanks to Team UTF for helping them to build a house.
Tini oro Agartala by Haksalma, Paila Sohar ang Chini, Demdum Kamiwo, Haimani, Kaisana Naharmo, Ani Lugo, no Patal Kaisa, Tangzak Nukana, Obnosing officially. Ribbon Rawi sini beneficiary sini tako Amindra tai bini family no ya farnani bagai seng tinoro dengdum kamio phai chok phai mani satai khlayo thanai April ni 26 tarik ni watoi nobar kotoro bankumdri khobjagai sini tako Amindra ni nok tawok ani keba ai beskang kha klai tong bini nok kasam ekdom kakak muka kitchu bana krai Palasini thong kaya kare tai bera nukung bebak no mane ekdom chila philake subai kalangai thangmane ani beskeng wa engo debra bukha tapona bufang phaisu bufang khari bufang rogo anok ni tin rok beri kalangman tapon karje khotus tong kho angkhe oba haike bini nok no subai sukrobai kalang thangjak mane aboni yagulo elakani no khoroksa sini takuk ni bisingte khlai Chini Thaniwa, kaisa request thangni sogoika je chino takukno oba haijum jarni jora kisa subanani bagai oba haike request sogaimani pore jeng bebak seri akoi naye jeng bini request na accept khlaika tai bono bini katal tai tong thainok tangirnani bagai jeng kaisa initiative na harkha accordingly jeng chini bokha kaham lukurokni thaniwa chini donation jeng appeal khlaika kabangma lukurok donate khlaika tai obahai bokha kaham lukurok ni donation ni rang baino khlaiye jeng tini obahai khe nok tatal kaisa sini tako Amindra tai bini family no tangai relai mankha or nok tang thaniwo jeng 1,25,000 ni kaisa budget nawi nok chenglai mani 710 size ni kaisa nok phiaba complete ingte 1,25 abo ta kisisa budget kisa over budget thangkha tai abo 1,35 hairoko thangi kalaikha sini nok complete inglainani or nok tang thaniwo sini beneficiary boba haina bini contribution ok akorok jeman tike bok khlaikha tai bini contribution kabangma bokha kaham lukurok ni donation tai UTF ni fund bebak use khlaino jeng tini borokno omahaike tongdrop nok jeng khungsa tanglai rei mandro tungkha obono no borokno officially jeng tini ribbon rawi yapari kalangana hne jeng haksalma Agartala ni phai shop phailai mane orokuna abosek panda kotor hai to jeng khlailailiya just officially ribbon rawi borokno nok dugram khlugi borokni nok katal no borokno yapari kalangani bagino jeng tini phailai mane paithago ang hambai renai sini jotu bukha kaham donors rokna contribute khlainai sini lukurokno or nok tang thaniwa jara khoksa khoknai je manti khlai donate khlaikha contribute khlaikha jottono no hambai tai khaksangma yaparo beskani salogo chini bisingtui khlaijak nani thangmani abahai project rogo samung rogo luko hamkrani samung rogo norok bokha kaham lukuro jengbai baksa obahai kene korongoi tongbai jadi hne
On the other hand, it is known that this work is possibly complete due to the active member of UTF, Radha Manik Debbarma and Dhan Lakshmi Tripura from Unakoti. Also, Team UTF thank everyone who has helped to build the house of Amindra Debbarma. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.